Select the horizontal type tool. Create a separate text layer for each letter. I start with the last letter so my layers are in the correct order. Select all the text layers. Select the Move tool. Align the vertical centers. Select the letter you want to move. If you hold Shift, it restricts the movement to a straight line. Move all the letters like this and make them overlap. Select all the text layers and press Ctrl+T. You can resize and move the text now. Select the top text layer. Click on the FX icon and select Drop Shadow. You can copy the settings that I used or adjust them to your liking. Press Alt and drag the drop shadow to the next text layer to copy the effect. Copy the drop shadow to the other text layers like this. I hide the effects so I can clearly see my text layers. To adjust the overlap, I select part of the text and use the arrow keys to move these letters. And that's how you create this overlapping text. Check the links in the description for more tutorials.